What's up, my PowerUp friends? Welcome back to PowerUp with Kaynee. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious bread that only has 3 main ingredients. This bread is so delicious. It'll come out in a loaf. You can slice it. You can make sandwiches with it. You can also make avocado toast. You can have it with butter. You can have it with cheese. It is delicious and so easy to make. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's nutty. It's dense. It's hearty. It's golden brown, and it's perfectly toasted. It's like wheat bread without the gluten marrying sourdough bread. It is amazing. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blend 1.5 cups of this golden flaxseed in my coffee grinder. You want to grind it until it is very floury, so the finer the better, because your bread will then hold up just beautifully. You don't want to use brown flaxseed, as the flavor is very strong, it's very robust, and it'll take over your bread. So golden flaxseed is perfect for this recipe. I'm going to take it and grind it in my coffee grinder. After you run your golden flax seeds through the coffee grinder, they will look like this. You can see that this flax seed is very finely ground. If you need to put it back into the coffee grinder to get it to be even more floury, I would recommend that you do that. This flax seed smells amazing. It smells super nutty. It smells so good. Now I'm going to add the rest of my dry ingredients. 4 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to stir my dry ingredients really well together. Now I'm going to add 1 1/3 cup of hot water. The reason why you want to use hot water is because it brings our mixture to the right consistency. So all those dry ingredients are able to blend really well together, and the hot water makes this dough very pliable and malleable. When you put the hot water in, first you want to go in with a spoon and blend everything together with the spoon until the temperature is comfortable enough for you to put your fingers in there and knead the dough. The possibilities at this point are endless. You can add olives to this bread now. You can add jalapenos to make it jalapeno bread. You can add some sun-dried tomatoes. You can add any seasoning of your choice. You can also add seeds or nuts to this bread. You can just really customize it to your liking. All right, guys, so when your dough looks like this, you're going to transfer it over to a baking sheet with parchment paper. When the dough is on your baking sheet, you can shape it into whatever shape you like. You can even take it and divide it into little balls to make dinner rolls. This portion here probably makes about 8 to 10 dinner rolls depending on the size of your little dough balls. In my case, I'm just going to shape mine into an oval loaf. When the shape is to your liking, you're going to wet the top with a little bit of water. I'm also going to add some flax seeds and sliced almonds on the top. The psyllium husk in this bread will help it to double or triple in size when it's in the oven. It'll also help it to mimic gluten dough. So our bread will be very fluffy and airy, just like gluten bread. Now I'm going to put my bread in the oven at 350 degrees, about 50 minutes. I've just taken my bread out of the oven and it smells amazing. And look at how beautiful this bread is. Oh my goodness, it feels dense, almost like sourdough. It's very dense actually. I'm going to transfer it over to this plate and I'm going to slice it up and taste it with a little bit of butter. All right, guys, I want you to see the texture of this bread. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on this and I'm going to give it a taste test. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, wow. Mmm. Oh, wow. Guys, it is amazing. It's nutty, it's dense, it's hearty, it's golden brown, and it's perfectly toasted. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, I could eat this bread every day, all day. It is the closest thing to, again, that mix between wheat bread and sourdough bread. You can make a sandwich with this bread. You can have this bread just like I had it now with a little bit of butter. Guys, to die for. You have got to try it. All right, my PowerUp friends, that's it for this video. For more low carb, super healthy, keto friendly recipes like this one, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with family and friends who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Bye until next time.